subscribe is free. The subscribe yet.
Na 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 na. Yeah. You say you are the Dan, cause you start pulling triggers, yeah. You say you are the one, cause you start drive a beamer, yeah. You used to have a girl, now you have a gold digger. You say she are the one, cause she make you come quicker, yeah. But what you know, you're not take no chat from nobody till you're down on your knees and you're not no sorry. You say you're not beg no friend from nobody, yeah. Your money and your gun, you're not take no chat from nobody till you're down on your knees and you're not no sorry. You say you're not beg no friend from nobody, yeah. Money and your gun, you call yourself a boss, cause you start see the figures. But if the money never reach, you will still be a beggar, yeah. You're rolling with gangster, cause it make you feel bigger. But little did you know, gangster life come with pressure. Gangster life, it's not a pretty life, cause when you pull it run out, can you survive with a knife? Gangster life, it's not a pretty life, cause when you stand before the judge, you know your sentence can be life. You're not take a chat from nobody till you're down by your knees and you're not no sorry. You say you're not beg no friend from nobody, yeah. Your money and your
Bro, but you know the funniest thing about it is that I try to reach your phone, you know. And right now, me in a problem now, because I depend on this type of thing right now. I try to call you, but want your phone, bro?
I let my phone mash up yesterday. Drop in the water for me to check out the boat them and see that. Drop in the water.
Bro, alright.
Mash up early in the morning before it mash up. Cause remember me did on the sea from early, you know. I did there one night time, them brats go link me and ask me if you know, reach a me yard yet. To show you my yard. Right now, man feel like I set him up, you.
I don't know, set this up.
I'm to set up my friend by the time. Me surprise myself when me all don't move you. I couldn't do nothing. Brother, I should even know, but I couldn't make them hold me certain way my father. I swear you.
I mean, I said to myself, so how is it that the tone of going here and you run free? But you understand, man. I kind of complicated to me right now, just the same. But what me I say still, you have the goods them on you still?
We never get to go up on the boat with them.
So you never get to go up on the boat?
No, I have them. So as so comes me have to escape, because you see if they hold me with the goods, probably would have to stay longer than time. So I have to move fast, brads. And brads feel like say I set him up that just I go through my brain now, you. I'm there so by myself and meds and
So you're giving them back around?
no, yeah.
You say if you're giving back the goods them back or what?
So what am to brads?
Brads, we have to start with it different, but me I say we have to get the goods them because I want to secure certain things. But brads know say, well I don't know. Right now I don't know what really going on. Because when you get caught in a demon situation or anything possible, time, I don't know. I really want him there jail right now.
Like the NS in the face still can visit without your full information.
You're mad? Who don't see your face? Your face don't see your face? Think about it again. And think about what you just said. That make sense? All me I say to you, I goods them more. See? When me can get the goods them?
You can check me and look more when me reach back on my side. I can't believe you.
Alright, so later in the evening.
Yeah, that doesn't sound bad. You can check me. Alright, now I'm feeling how we am right now. You can drink around me and go to my shop.
If he's have a rum thing, man. As me I say, make me get the goods. What does that ask for, boss? Up. I'm fly out to you. So, really, I'm sure that's something follow the person. So, if we can get the goods in, I got to, reschedule my flight and everything. See? Because I'm going to go up, so go meet, and collect everything. Now everything get bust, we have to just start over again.
No man, everything don't get bust.
Bro, if them there on your trail, that means that them know something. Who you talk to differently before?
Talk to, alone me talk to my youth, and who Brad's go talk to? And who Brad's go talk to, brother, alone me talk to, you and Brad. So me if go talk to our next man about it. Remember I earlier asked me if me talk to nobody, but me I make you know say no, you are the first man. I come with a reason with my friend.
Alright.
So all me if go talk to man, either you or Brad's, but I can't me don't know what go on.
Sure, so me.
Me don't know what go on.
Yeah. See what we do. We're gonna just have to just call it and reschedule.
Right now, if I go get back a phone, I don't want to see him cheaper. I don't want to buy me. I try to change everything in my friend car. Watch out. Them a chuck food, them a use
Me feel sad that. Me feel sad that as a king. Because we don't understand, so more time to talk on social media when you know text this and text that. Sometimes the woman wanna text, you know. And if you say you link up girl and rate it, sometimes the girl are feds. You get to me, I say?
No, they want them.
Yeah. Look at my link here. Just make sure I get the goods. See?
Yeah, man, me there, man.
You sure say good secure me ask you one last time.
Brother, I goods and secure. Me move with the bag, brother. Me not get to go up on the boat. You come like you not here with me and say me not get to go up on the boat.
Alright. That's all I want. Feel? And brothers, when you have feedback.
Brothers, you have feedback.
Oh, brothers never have no goods.
No.
Alright.
Because I want a little bag. Me and me all ask him where am I going that little bag.
Little bag. That's very alright. Pick up yourself then.
Yeah,
see?
Yeah, watch yourself, you know.
Yeah, man, I'm good, man.
Like they now watch you too.
Marco? I want to talk to you. Brother Jill.
So when you mean you have to run to because Brad there, Jill, what thing girlfriend?
Girl, I don't know about no other girlfriend. Yeah, look here now. Should me know say you have family where a lie and doctor. That's why you're the first person come to mind for me come to. I'm going at the station you know, and I'm going to tell me about me if you come back the next 3 days. And you know someone son, despite how him stay, you cannot make him stay there because anything can happen to him you know, because he mouth. You don't know that too?
I know that. But remember, Brad disrespect me, you know. Style me in a most way. So why me, if you be one, if you go down there, go bail him and look after him as what? Remember, so me and Brad's not dealings again, you know. You remember that other night in this me in front of a woman, you know. So why send you run to me? You're supposed to call in woman and making woman know the whole situation. You're not supposed to come to me. Because right now, I don't think Brad's going to see me.
The child, you know, boy, if he wants you, I want you not. You are the best option him have and the only option him have. May I beg you, don't do it for him, do it for me. May I beg you, please.
You know, I'm not do anything for you, but I don't think I want to do this.
Please, may I beg you. Help me out, please.
I don't want me, hey, I'm my uncle, I problem now, you know, because last time I go to my uncle and I complain to my uncle, you know. So I don't want next thing my uncle got here say I may bail Brads and he did that. Don't tell me if he stay far from Brads. And that's the next problem.
Tell us something about a man there. You see that man there? I don't even know what to tell about him, but don't pay in the mind. Nobody follow him. Him after later. Me will deal with him. Nobody follow him. Just do it for me, may I beg you, please. We know him more enough.
Because of you, you know, maybe I'm going to do this, you know. But if I'm going to do this, what if money if you pay and so forth? How you go work out?
Don't worry about nothing like that. Me will pay every expense. But just want you just take care of the billing for me.
Oh my, what are you and mother why you can't do it?
Alright, as I'm say me go down at the station and I'm gonna tell me say me come back 3 days time. Why them can't give me a solid reason why I'm come back 3 days time?
Alright. I'm going to make a phone call, make a link. And then we're gonna pick him up and bring him home to you.
Please and thanks, my child. You children may appreciate you.
Yeah, I'll make sure some breads in the family making it don't come back to me because this is the last favor me and the breads.
Girl, me go talk to him and me go talk to him the last time. So you see, so many times I know not because of picking them, you know. If anything happen to them, we're going to want to bail them out. But you see, when picking and listen, you have to make them feel. But you see, because I first time you know go here so, me know say he will get himself in a trouble with his mouth. Because you know him now, him hot-headed. But me don't know. I don't know when. But try to talk to him now, you know say. And guess what? Me never really know what go down. Me only hear say it's like in the seaside, in my friend, that them go on operation. Yeah, them go on operation at sea. Police catch them. The friend run left him, and at him one. So as I say, me tired. Me tired.
This will teach him a lesson. Because he's not here.
And if you can teach him a lesson,
I feel like I wait till the 3 days and go down there for him.
no. You know why I can't wait for the 3 days? Him mouth. You know him attended.
And that's why if he's staying there for 3 days.
No, but you don't sure now come out if him stay in the 3 days. Cause I'm more trouble him.
And
And
because
I
of
feel
you,
like
I'm
him
going to you know. And because of you, I'm sure you always take care of me and you always encourage me and all of them look something there. Let me go do this. Because I say for the brother alone, I'm making a rotten down there.
which him deserve. I'm not gonna lie, not because I'm a pitney. I mean, I'm gonna tell you, I said this at the last time. When him get the bail, last time this me I sit down and me I talk to him. Because me have some things I want to talk to him about. So I go talk to him.
Can I go through one years and come show you Anna?
Child, as me say, I last round this. So you see, if him want hear, I feel business. And if him want hear, I feel business. Because I have to make up my mind at certain point. I'm
I have to
done.
go make some call and support, so I think it's time for you to leave.
Alright, my child. So you will call me and let me know.
I will let you know what happened, okay?
Alright, and thanks very much, yeah.
No problem.
I'll wait.
Yeah, bye. Hello, Uncle. It's my brother. Alright, like I listen here. I can come up and yard more and talk to you about some ASAP. Nobody take long, hurry up. Come now, Uncle, when I come, me tell you about why sense me go tell you over the phone. More tell you in person. Alright.
With Brad.
Well, I don't even know what to talk about.
Cause here I know, I go down at the station and to how them a go on down there like say me is nobody, me have to anger them. Look how much they lock me up. This little policeman that you have in stinking mud. How many policemen so stink?
You ask me that, you have to
Police
ask
mud
them.
stinky. Hey, not even sewage water can help them mud. Them mud stink on it. And I can't shut off in mud. Look how much I don't have to lick down one of them. Not tell me what I go with me man. Anyway, you can stop from just finish it.
I don't know, say I want mission me and the boy need to go up on the night then. Come like, I don't know what really going to you know, because me and the man, me and Breads are head over to go by a boat. Two toes me only hear freeze like somebody a watch it or something. Every man ball out, say, what this if I say, yo, what you even know? How much I know? Public. He say, he know, said, then they have found over here and I call my phone. And the man know me live, you know? The man know me live, brother.
No disrespect, boy, but you know, say assault. You know, say assault. Me not this say, you know. But me just want to tell us, say assault. If I never you, me man would have gone to jail, you know.
So how am me and the man plan a week?
You never hear one saying, say when man a plan, God a swipe. Eh? Why you do it?
Why me do what? Why me do what?
Why you plan with him? Or no could you just go for and move and you have a plan? Eh? Bush of years, wall of eye. You never hear about that yet. Eh? And now you know, so me feel like you tell the police them say they are so. No, me feel like you tell them say they are so. Because see they know, me not have me man to lay down side at night time. Me not nobody to cuddle with me right now.
You lucky say a true a brad say your woman make you not get about police.
Brad say me woman.
Say brad say your man make me not lick any more cause you go tell me about where you have up your police. Where you have police me for?
Lick in them mouth. It come like say you're sick. It come like say you're sick on me boy. Lick in them mouth.
You see it.
Lick in them mouth.
You tell me about you have a call. You tell me you go call police. You tell me say you go call police for me.
But lick in them mouth.
Where you tell me you go call police for me for?
I last day would I live. If I live in my mouth, can you feel like say I don't alone have strappy? Eh? If I like I don't alone have strappy, I would have shut out your eye. Everything good, man. Every single thing good. Just make sure say, my man come out. Just make sure say come out, cause if you don't come out, it's not go nice. So me I drink me rum and I smoke one frost. You don't even know who not play with here. Oh. They look salt, bro. Just salt like you see water. Could I ain't there for go live. Salt, rubbish.
Alright, you know, you're going your ways, man. You're going your ways.
I would have to know how your mother is better, but that's your mother like you don't play with me.
You're going. Can't believe all this again, man. You're going to have it hard.
Try to identify her in me as a from Sri Lankan conversation. So what mean is? Jesus Christ. You are going with why for your place? You know sometimes where you have to go to place?
Because no. We feel comfortable with you. In case one of my friends like come over and want to share with them.
So what going on?
So what you have black me going?
So it's still no about the rent pump.
Anyway, uncle. Brad's man come up to
A joke you make? Tell me say a joke you make. Give me a, take me out of your head. Take me out of your head. Me out, man. Come over here, come do what? Me tell you to stay away from she. You gonna make she come in here?
Uncle,
that makes sense?
Still from her, she come up here.
Tell her so what? She come in her room, man. She come in her place.
Yeah, she did sit down there.
And she can cook for you to the show.
No.
So where you go then?
Uncle, don't.
I'm pants out, bro.
Uncle, you feel like you're done.
Are you a dunce? Can you understand the situation?
Can you read?
What do you mean say me can't read? That I'm doing it. Me have common sense. You don't have no common sense. You need to build some or grow some somewhere in your thick head.
Listen what me have to say. Sorry,
Wait.
sorry.
Yo,
Sorry.
you forget the way you're done? Don't pass the place. What you want?
Uncle, you never explain the situation.
That's why I'm asking now. What did?
Uncle, you see, that's why sometimes we can't bother with you, you know. I am the only person we can talk to, but sometimes I make it difficult for me. Because I call her here to talk to you, and I simply say something to you, and you start raising your voice and go on the most way. And you don't even wait upon me if you tell her your situation.
I'm sorry.
You make me feel a way and you make me almost disrespect you.
Alright, I'm sorry. Continue, please. Continue, please.
Alright. in come up here because
You really stuck pampas.
sure for bail, brats. I'm tell her say because of she.
What? You go plan for bail black? Alright, listen.
Uncle remember said I did my
To
first.
every crime, there is a time. You understand? So, even though me rate brads and love brads to my heart like my own son, me really and truly, me don't want you get mixed up in that. If anything else, don't get mixed up in it. Me tell you already from day one. But you don't understand, so when you get involved, you are now involved. And it can't unvolved until the system solved. And basically, this is a life and death situation. Guns,
So uncle, oh you know what happened?
I mean, I said the situation is clear. People know, and me alone know. The community know because police when they're on the scene, lights and knives and all them something there. So people
Uncle,
know.
may I ask a question?
Ask me a question.
None of them did a rape and one time they go and feel policy.
What make you ask me a question like that? Why would I wait on them?
No,
Me know them. Who's them?
Brad's a new friend. You know your friend?
Small world. Me still married and that's it.
They never read feel on your road.
Alright, let me tell you something. More understand this thing. Take yourself out of people's business and people that have business with you a certain way. Put a negative line.
Uncle.
Organize. Fee. Either find something else to do. Come and say you go back to college. So go back to college, pay attention to your career and make things work for you. Right? Man now go make you know better than how you're supposed to go if you do it by yourself. Better yourself, then when a man, time to get man, you will have what you have. Can combine or whatever the case may be. You understand me? I say, make a better family, you know, a situation with few people them, for your mother and you know how much good she has done for me, you know. For your mother I mean, how much good she has done for us, you know what I mean? You know, that's our foolishness. For your mother, for my sister. She has done so much good for me and so forth. Me just emotional right now because me don't want to get involved in certain things because there's a lot of things where you don't know and understand.
Listen,
and I just that
you know
know
why me answer this question because I know everything we go down in case you are involved in it.
Don't worry about me. Me alright. Me will take
Uncle,
care.
don't tell me if you don't worry about you because remember said any paperwork are going to meet them all come. And me emergency for everything. So anything good on with you, I remember say I me sign the contract for your boat and everything. So anything me I go involved in it no matter what you take.
Alright, I understand that part. So don't get too much more involved in the situation. You can promise me that?
So what you say, me not for bail, bro?
I'm not saying enough for bail Bryce, but I'm saying just stay away. Bryce will get bail at some point. Make him stay away for a little bit.
No, Uncle.
Take him off high street.
Mother beg me, you know the woman that take care of me. So
That
me
the
just
woman
say
there
I
are crosses
Uncle, you know
in
say
a
woman
real
crosses.
life because as I said there are things that you don't know that just left it alone.
Uncle, then
My
explain
niece.
it to me.
I just left it. My niece just left it alone. I'm glad they call me first. You don't call nobody first.
No, you know say any situation are you first me go call.
You call your uncle who work down a place there.
No, are you alone me call?
Alright,
Me go
just-
call him after this.
What?
Joke me out.
Stop run joke and a joke in time.
And you're all the person me call though.
Left it there, sir.
So we say me not for bail, Bryce.
I'm saying, brothers, I get bail, but don't get yourself involved. You
So,
you
me
can
not
listen to your
understand.
uncle. You can listen to your uncle for once.
Some must make
You can listen to your uncle for once. You
Uncle.
can listen to your uncle for once.
Some must
You
make
can listen to your uncle for once.
Me always
You can listen to. Most when you answer, there's an answer they call YES or NO. You can listen to your uncle for once.
Yes, Uncle, I can listen to you.
Alright.
I'm gonna look for him.
Yeah, come on. Over here. Open this. Do the right thing. Trust so.
Come here so far now.
Listen. Hey. I'm not tired for that. Come on.
What you say now? Talk and for an hour one, you know.
When me start out, remember saying me used to talk to you in such a way where we can keep each other secret. And you used to learn the peace. That's one of the things I used to love about you. So I never want a rum situation, I never want violation in no way. And you understand the things break down because you claim my voice sound different when I talk to you. You claim say me just change. So you won't see it as change when me I go through depression. And you never see it that way. Now nobody feel the reason a certain way. You know what I mean? But you right now.
Andy. Hey son, so I'm not ever you look so abal. Don't you rasta like you could have ball? No, sir. All pestilence a ball. I force me to see this. Crow bait. No, sir.
You go stop. And stop put on the front because I know say I want rebellious way you put it on.
Alright, me I listen.
You sure you listen?
Yes.
You know, so really and truly, the family I'm raising, I was adopted. Yeah, I was adopted. Long story short, from the people in my, you know what happened. But me used to pass on. And things went rough, left in my home. And one lady where, at the time, she couldn't have no picnic. So, she adopted me. Long and short of the whole story, you know what I'm saying? One girl, one night here in America, she's supposed to, and she called me uncle. And I'm a real niece, you know? I'm a real niece.
Hold. Short Marika. Thick Marika.
Yeah, man, she say, man. Not if
Call her uncle.
Yeah, but not if she know all of this something still, because we still feel like our brain are really ready for listen to certain conversation.
Continue.
Remember I tell you something, I never know you yet.
Yeah, but you tell me say no no picnic and that's why you want to give you one.
I will try in a sea, we try in a boat. We try upon the boat top.
Exactly.
I never work
On the
out.
fridge top, never work out.
But to tell you the truth, you know, so I have one youth already. Well, to be honest, yeah. I have a youth already.
So where this youth there? Where youth you have? Where name? You live here? What? Me can't take with you, you know. You just a if and but. If, but. Just start, no man.
Brads. reason I tell this now, guys, you lock up and on.
No, sir. I'm a disgrace to the society. You can't tell me say me I take the father and no me I take the son. You know, say I'm wicked. You see, that's why I never like you, you know. Because you're wicked, you're a wicked man. Imagine, you know, all of this in your go on. And you not tell me. You look dirty Rasta man.
Tell you?
And a while ago,
I tell you this.
a while ago, me video feel sorry for your help your ball, you know. A while ago, me do help your ball. And you see what you do? You come and tell me about how you have one pit in your brother. You're wicked, you. And that's why any wicked things that reach you right now is supposed to reach you. God forgive me. But you know what I mean when me say so you're a wicked dirty Rasta man. That's why you can't come better. And that's why you like saying of a tiff in your head, drunk crosses.
You don't know?
No matter how you do, look dry head you can't fix.
You don't know? Right now, I just need somebody to talk to, and as I said, the only person you can talk to is you. And you have to take it to a different level. Me know, see, you feel that way if you know, so boy, I mean, really. I just want to fix things right now.
So what you plan to do? Because you know what me plan to do, you know?
What?
Take up one big bag and run. Me just a run and me just nah stop. Because this a thing a suicidal business.
Listen. Me gonna make it right now. Because even that thing I wouldn't get bus pan, me I try call you the other youth the phone and can't get him.
So hold on there, me can ask you one question.
Ask me anything you want time for
Beg your pardon. Your son knows say I'm pa?
No.
Jesus Almighty Savior. So hold on there. Look, a girl what you say, call her uncle. Did I take your son? And your son next woman, you know?
You know that,
You see, says a rubbish as a little dirty Rasta man, that's I mean not like you. You don't have no sense.
They come to me. Listen to me. I come to argue. Right now, I just first want to make things right, you know, and take it away. You take it on an extent that me argue with you and me make you look bad or something. Me just want to come clean.
You make me look bad. You make me look bad because it done sliding, gliding, everything in a one glittering, glamour.
Me feel like
rubbish.
me ever take on myself. Right now, me feel like my
Make
time.
me run, because you not left me in this.
No. You have to go stick around. That's why me attack. Me don't see a conscious girl, even though you are going loud and all them something. See? You understand me? I say, I you understand.
Yeah, you know, me just can't be so I'm sitting here really put me in a gun home. Boy, you're really wicked. Me think me the wicked, but you're tappy. It's like you're tappy card. I saw you're tappy. You're wicked, you know? So what you want me to do? Help your ball?
What do you mean?
Eh? You feel my pain? Oh, so I'm supposed to feel fear pain where you can't feel my pain. You shall go down 6'6".
Ah, you hear me say? Forget something come talk to you. See? You hear me say? Just forget something.
You know what you feel do? I lift up from yourself. So
No,
like come take your spot yourself, lift up from right.
Because at this time, I can't understand me. Me reason with up on a level and see where you take it. Where is the girl that I used to know? She in there somewhere where you hide it. You go and play hard.
Don't touch me in a chip right now. Go on where you going now. Go on where you going before we make the night. Hey, look, don't have to do that. I'll make it on E-kind. Go on where you going.
Yeah.
Shh. Nonsense. God will strike you.
You say you are the Dan cause you start pulling trigger. Yeah. You say you are the one cause you start drive a beamer. Yeah. You used to have a girl, now you have a gold digger.
God must go back and run.
You say she are the one cause she make you come quicker, yeah. But watch out now, you're not take no chat from nobody till you're down on your knees and you're not no sorry. You say you're not beg no friend from nobody, yeah. Money and your gun, you're not take no chat from nobody till you're down.
I heard a man to come finish me here. I come because they are work and she have me here and wait. But she there, man.
Mommy!
Yes, daughter.
Mommy!
Yeah.
What's that?
Yeah, man. Come along there. You know that I go there. What going, daughter?
Morning.
Morning. Me there you want to get my hair done, but the girl that took too long, and you know,
So,
say.
you call her?
Yes, about 20 hours ago.
Oh, Jesus.
You know, say I go. On a Jamaican never on time. But anyway, what go on different?
Yeah. But look at him at mosquito deal with the skin, man. No, man. And that's why if you lock up a place, if you say out here, if you say you're over for the same thing.
And this same thing, me there Jamaica supposed to free open my door and sleep, and you hold next to sleep with the door open that they are do.
But mommy,
Mm-hmm.
I want to talk to you about something.
Go on, no, listen.
I know say you're a judge and they work with the government and stuff. I have a friend who get locked up 2 nights ago.
What character did your eye friend?
Oh?
Character. What lifestyle does your friend live?
Well, mommy, I'm not. He don't really have a character, you know, mommy. He just calm and he alright.
In my favorite character, good or bad?
In good, mommy, in good.
Okay. So your definition of good?
Yeah, mommy, in good, but when I friend up on beach and then just grab him and go with him, but the next friend they just run off at her.
Oh, then that sounds like a bad friend. But keep
I'm a bad
talking,
friend,
you don't want
mommy.
to judge.
Then them a person who always go up on the beach side go drink.
Oh.
So then just grab him up and go lock him up. But me ask for your favor. I want him to come out.
Come out?
Yeah, you know, so I can talk to people them and make them let him go kind of do
Oh, my job more important, you know. Me have to live, you know. I work hard, you know. Me put years, you know. So you have to give me more information.
What kind of more information I want to give you all the information that I have?
Well, I have to go look up in file, you know.
Mommy, you don't have to do that. Mommy, why you do this, mommy? Me know say you can just go down the talk to people them and they will talk to man.
And them are going to ask me 50 million questions. So
Mommy,
me are going to look up
mommy,
in
you
file.
judge, you know how to deal with that, mommy. You don't have to look up in file and go in all of them details.
Alright, let me tell you what me can do then. Me still going to look up in file, you know. But guess what? Me are going to help if me can help. Me are going to look up in file. So, everything what you know, tell me now.
Mommy, that's all.
That's all?
Yes.
Alright, so guess what? My work important, you know, because you know, no work hard and me enjoy the benefits them. Even you will enjoy it and we not lose if you nobody. So me I go look him up. If me can help him, he might go get the help, but if me can help him. But he sound like a good person though, man.
I mean, tell us you're a good person.
Alright, make sure no that you always come to me and tell me to help people and some of them turn out bad.
I know, mommy, me not disappointed.
You better not.
I'm sure.
Because me
But
cut
I
off
would
your
definitely
benefits.
do it.
Yeah, man.
Cut off my benefits, I would never do that.
What chance, you know?
You're not gonna do that.
I love you, but me we cut them off. Like me, so scissors, and cut that hair, yeah.
But anyway, mommy, I go home because I have some stuff at home to sort out.
Safe journey. Cut me
Alright.
some mag steel, you know.
Alright, mommy, me do that. You can come when me done.
Alright. So,
later.
me I go try, me I go check it out and you know, so me I go help, you know. Me always like to help and
You know that. But remember to call a lady for the year because that the
Alright,
woman doesn't like.
you see me
You
here,
have
I'm
other
finish
business to
now.
deal with. So later.
Alright, okay, daughter. Hey, so how much me there?
Emergency, I call upon.
Lord, I tell you, man. My daughter no come check me to do a little mission here.
What?
Yes!
Hold on. What mean mission?
They come do a thing for you and our little friend.
Who's your friend? Are you do it?
Me almost do it. Me look the file up and me glad me never go further. The file horrible man, hoodlum, wanted. Worse than the pirate. You know I see thing that.
So she really come to you with
Of
that
course.
situation
And me tell her say, you know, me not go lose with benefits, you know. And me tell her say, make sure person good.
And the
She
person,
said-
yeah.
She said them no good.
Alright, I'm gonna tell you something now.
Man,
I can tell you something. Because I respect you for years. Only me, you know certain things where you do for me. You understand? And see, your mother was such a wonderful lady and I have a big her up and thing, but I'm gonna ask you a favor. I know it might cost a lot on your reputation and everything, but do it this one time.
Tell me what I mean with that. Let me say worse than the pirate them. Yo, the repetition so bad. When I look
We know,
on the
man, we know.
file,
Horrible.
I know horrible. If that bad. Nobody no like no the song bad, but bad like yo that youth you need for the behind
Bye.
bars.
Alright, as I said to you, do it for me. Do it for me because I know the youth good and him just caught up in one situation where I know say only people who actually I don't even know if to say it, people who believe in a good can come out of evil. I can really understand what I say. I mean, no say you're one of the person that believe good
So yeah.
can come out of evil because the situations of them happened before, I don't feel like you have the right person to talk to him certain way and give him a lesson based on certain things.
So you say my victim of circumstance, what kind of circumstance?
That's a community circumstance. Just being in a society where, you know, him see and he feel like he have a follow. And feel like that's the only way if you buy a Benz. Or, you know, like they don't want to work to achieve the true potential. Them feel like them doing what them do is work.
So how me know say if me help him out this one time because of you, how me know say now go repeat it again because me if go come to you know and me I got dash with that the key and lock him a maximum penitentiary me I put him.
No man, I try to find a way how to talk to him. There must be a way to get a steady conversation with just me and him reasoning to make him understand say there's a other way. You understand me I say? Please,
Alright.
just do it.
Me I go do it just because of you know. But talk to him and make we know. Well, we are gonna watch and see change in my make. But me tell you, this time lot. You ever hear about 3 strike and you're gone for life? This time 3rd strike. Mark my words, in 3rd strike, we say maximum 30 minutes sunlight. What that left? 23 hours and 30 minutes. Lockdown. Pier wall. Am I go eat? Am I go do him waste and everything right there so.
You understand?
Animal me I go treat him like.
Sis, listen to me. Thanks.
Alright.
Yeah? May I tell you thanks in advance.
Alright. Me I go do that man.
Respect.
Can't
Love you,
tell
man.
file so bad.
Love you,
And you
man.
want help. You want me help somebody with such a bad file.
Don't think about it too much. But
Oh,
thanks,
man.
yeah?
Alright.
Wagwan, my picnic.
Yeah, alright, please I come for half by sleep, you know.
Ah,
You know the hell house. Boy, them say road learn you good, but in a jail learn you better.
You better know that.
When me got jail, you know, I realize say, hey, friend, then turn switch up. Y'all turn switch up. Everybody turn switch up. The family turn switch up. Me know right now about this again, you know. Me ain't no more scamming, no more there, nothing that you want to interact with no man, friend them again. Me just drop them.
Well, me happy you feel that way there. You know, I'm glad you just not up for your mouth. Cause this is my son, me tell you the truth, me love you and all of that, but me can't continue and do this. It's not healthy for me and it's not good for you. You have one PD, you know?
No, but sometimes I pay for learn, you know. You know, sometimes a company make us stray, you know, and do the wrong thing when you're doing it with me. You know?
Right, that is why I always talk to you and I say, stop. You can't stop.
How much you not even know, man. What a crime I crying on me. So when you lock it, you're boom! Mummy say, remember everything when I tell me, Mummy say, I'm ball out of my mind. I say, Jesus Christ, everything's a reflect on my mind. When I tell the boy.
So I'm glad they get the picture of everything.
Wait, me say, they put me in one place. A big bad man in there, you know. I'm not just saying I change my pocket, you know. I'm buy a crib name and the boy say, I want my crib name, Mummy. I'm not tell the boy say, I want crib name, I can't give me crib name, Mummy. The boy decide say, I want it, you know. You have to mash him up in there, Mummy. Me I tell you, you know, some uppercut, some fist, some right hand in get and I short ribs.
I'll press your gun and fight. Your head too hot, you have to calm down.
What happen? I can't go and make boys must walk over me. So I walk over and soft shoulder, you know. I'm a tough boy, you know.
Alright, make glad say it's all over and done now.
You think you done? Watch I know again. Then move before the cell and put me in one darker cell. Me say darky. The teeth, every smiling at the teeth I can't see. I'm teeth are white and pretty.
I don't think I gotta show you a lesson, my son. I gotta teach you.
Them wicked man. Please never make me dog back again. Mommy, something you cook.
They cook some chicken and say I put some ackee in it, you know.
Too long me, I tell them, you don't long me some good food, man.
And steam some right. You don't need to do that, like it's too dramatic too, you know.
Mommy,
but that one thing me I tell you,
yeah.
no. You have to go hear what me I say, no. Tell you something. You see? I'm glad you decide say I go stop without me. I forgot to tell you again.
Mommy not even sleep good, mommy. Not even clean and in there. I feel like pill and shit, you know, nothing in there. At 6 o'clock, me have to wake up and touch the bathroom. And you can't say I want to bathroom, you have to say I want to ride the bike.
Well, all that is a learning experience, and you did look like you did have to drop this off to learn and listen to everything what me I tell you say. For leave out certain lifestyle alone. So me only glad say you come out okay, but you come out a change and a learn, man.
I'm smart how I was. Right? They didn't teach me, they come like a college. I tell you, that's more when some man do some things and go back prison 10 times, 5 times, what am I going there for? They must have a man in there or something, I don't know. But I don't want to go back in there.
They like prison life.
No, I can't cook, man, because I'm hungry too, you know.
Tell us something now. But I come tell me more urban cook. You know what you have saying last night, me talk tell me. Me tell you something. You see all of what me did say. You see now. Because no, all along me I say no. The only good woman me ever stay with, you know, America, you know. I have tell me this, I have tell my dad, oh, the little Jezebel, when see you come here, you say, I don't love your life, and your heart belongs to her. Where was she when you dropped a jail? The only person we could have found in America, if you go beg her, to bail you out, because when me come down, then I tell me be a foolish. So you know, say, fair family, them a lie and that and so, as she me could have run too. Nobody else, oh, you disrespect her, make a little Jezebel girl disrespect her.
I feel down on myself, I want to cry.
Then the baby there when you talk about, me not think of your one. You fix up your life.
What you say, woman?
Fix up your life. Alright, and that me have to say, we don't cook, you get some people, go pay and relax yourself.
Juice and apple.
One more leave.
Don't think now that I have food more to eat right now.
Food soon ready.
Remember saying, no, mommy, can't dash your old for new. But it come like a that them do. Dash your old for new and end up in a hill. You see it? Me up in a hill at the dinner.
I'm glad you realize that, you know, my son. I'm glad you realize that. And sister, all of me I tell you, say the girl a good girl, I never lie. Me I tell you, go say I truly love her. I feel love her because my sister she a good woman. But you pick her up, but that's how it go. My only hope say you can patch up and fix up things with her.
so frightened, man. What go on?
Brother!
You know, back from out of hell, my friend. That is it, man. The boy couldn't hold me longer, and he can't hold me, you know.
Yo, dog, I should even know, dog, I'm bad. You me say them, yo, I should even know. When I see them, when they tell about the move, I see a good one.
Boy, run and can't run you, that's your
I mean,
God.
you feel like I'm set you up, because I say something like that, you know.
Yo, Jano, I feel like you set me up, see me in a bad man.
You want me to set up my friend and me, you go for a mission. You know?
What you say?
You know what I say? You know, Rasta from around the road there. Public, you don't know public.
Public.
Yeah.
The Rasta.
Yeah.
We show off running head side, so. Hear me attack.
That you know say man, I'm number you tell man. Tell me say.
I know I'm.
No, wait now, man tell me say he saw the police in my company blocking on my father.
What you say?
And he man I say he man call me and he know me live
differently though. You know say the Rasta man there, my mother a good friend. A good friend them, you know.
Alright.
I say he ma call you when the police ma come.
And you know, no, what I trying to see them before me one long time and one bag of something my youth. And you know say he man make some talk and one bag of something that right now.
Right now I feel like him set me up, you know. You know that you don't trust that Rasta boy there, you know. Him set me up, you know.
Me say come to my mind, come.
Brother, I him see him one set me up, brother. I him see him one. Right now one when if you go bust out here in a bad man.
What you know? What you say? What you say if you do?
What we say? What we are gonna do? And me and you. Matter of fact, brother.
You alone are.
Watch out, man. Watch out, man. Listen me I say. You make a link. And me alone. Me no want me and no boy go on no crime scene and no app. You hear me I tell her? And me alone. Where me do it? Nobody can find anybody. You can't go see but dash anybody out there.
Remember, see, you just come out back in the.
But I'm not respond about that and care no bad man. Fan boy this program, I forget dash way. If Janka can't find anybody who dash want to see now.
No, like talk to you though.
But I mean, when I like talk to me, nobody because I say do things and I do it. You look like you're a coward. I want to tell man fresh from hell, man, want food in a bed and thing in a bad man. I want to tell you. So what you say I do? You make a link? Or what?
They like talk to you, dog. Me they say, why you talk?
My youth. Brother, I'm saying I'm in a dark place. I'm in a dark right now. You think that Rasta boy, my mother best friend. Brother, right now, him say. Come here, get nervous. You like you want peace. You get nervous, man. I get nervous in a youth. Like your body shiver down in a yo. That Rasta boy there. That Rasta boy there have a hand in it, you know. That him set up, you know. You know say him. Him, you know.
Yo. You don't know what say? Yeah. You don't know what I find sitting out in a yeah. You know what I find sitting out in a bomba water there. Yeah man, find one key. One key of coke. Yeah, one key of coke and find out in the water there, you know, my boy. Watch you know. Check me. Watch you know, when I'm a soldier know exactly where it is. So watch you know, me I make you and my soldier go out there and then you talk. Here. Yeah. What time you go free? Alright, I send him on your foot. Alright, check. Me man, he know about already, so check him when I done do what you do. He go off, yeah. Check him when I done do what you do. He might carry you out there. Yeah man, him know exactly which party there. Alright. Look him on.
Yeah, boy. Yeah, man. The idea sound like a good idea. You know those pieces. Well, that's not. Go wash your hand, man. How you do? I'm bad, man. No, how you do? Don't touch me now.
No. Oh.
Go wash your hand, man. Like how those bad, man.
Never see you walking on my
Me not respond. Me not care about that, bad man. I want to.
Baba.
Wagwan mo kwa na. Captain, long time, man. I'm great. You know?
Yo, what we saying couldn't forward, you know?
Oh, yeah, say.
Yeah, so you don't know anything though. So we're going to really reach treasure keys and things.
You man, Peter Key.
Yeah.
You want to wait for man, you know. Suppose you see the reef there. Out there, so you go. Yeah, man.
So you have everything though?
What do you mean, man? Everything there, my father, man. For yourself, man. Gas there, food there, bread there, water there. Where you want?
Start the boat, yeah, sir.
Soon start the boat.
Soon start the boat.
What different to do now?
Yeah.
I know how long me I try keep up on the mission here. How long me I try programming? Yes, man. You don't really know who you are. You know who you.
You know, man.
You know what I mean?
I know, yes, man.
Yeah, I say.
You must have one community, you know. Small. You know what I mean?
What different they do? You know me call it for?
Let me call me. What you talking about?
I'm call it for that shit, you know.
Let me dash man.
I know say you setting up for the police.
Brother, yo, where you?
Listen,
Set your phone.
boy, hush up. Listen what me I say. You know say you setting up for the police, boy.
Me?
Chat, hear me? I want to hand. I
Yo.
want you. What you want to do?
Sir,
Eh? What you want to do? What you
sir,
want to try?
planting, sir.
When I got up, you're dead or dead today.
What you mean dead?
What you mean? You like it again, wait. Eh? Long run shot, catch! Fool! Man, should chop it, man, shouldn't have to spot them after the shot them. Mummy, where food there, mummy?
Me a come.
Come on, me ask if you look food like you want me starve.
You forgot say you're baby. All this. Can you forget say you're a big man?
You still have cooked me same way, I want me big and old. Me still have baby, I want me old, you know. Me bother to you.
Yeah, because you're true, you're the only fit in here. That is why you can behave so.
Food nice though, man. Shut up pepper and season though.
Always. I need to talk to you.
But one now, mummy.
You can't talk to you?
You can always talk to me, you can reason with me. But that's what you're talking about now.
The Rasta man. We years to get shot, them and see. Pass off.
Who?
The Rasta man.
Rasta man, which Rasta man that?
You don't know the Rasta man, we get shot and I see him pass off.
But if you know which Rasta man I see, I'm not going to see him if you know.
Marka uncle.
Marika uncle, which Marika uncle? Now one Rasta man come check out the Rasta man them, I don't know.
Yeah, our uncle that.
The Rasta man come link you.
Mm,
Marika uncle that.
yes. And our real uncle.
You like something, I mix up or something, so I mix up or something, I don't really understand. What you say? Marika what?
Alright.
Talk to me straight, I don't hear me. Talk to me straight, man. You come on and go around the corner.
Our mother take care of him and grow him as, you know, as our brother, big brother. Don't I say our brother, little brother.
Yeah, I understand what look about.
Yeah, so it's not really, she not really, them is not a real uncle any at all.
Mm-hmm.
And I talk to you about something about the rest of
Just
man.
me talk, man, talk in my mind, not there if you talk anything, man. Anything you have in your heart, just talk it. Just talk. Don't hold it back, just speak it out. Hallelujah. Praise the Lord.
The rest of man, I already to you, I'm related to you.
Mommy, I still not talk straight, mommy. I'm an uncle, I'm a daddy, I'm a cousin. I what? I'm a great grandfather. Talk straight, no man, I go in the corner. I'm a daddy. I what? You must what to me? I'm relative, I can relative to me.
Yeah, your father. And what?
What you say to me?
And your father.
Me like my father?
So we are being so far. Yeah.
How me don't know that? Say my father.
Because
Because what?
me didn't want to tell you a long time.
You want to tell me long time, say what? Mommy. Why are you reacting to me? Say my father that?
Yeah, and your father.
How come you know my father? What?
Sit down and talk dramatic. I just get one reason guys. You notice nobody now you mess with you. When you ball up with people them here. Sit down. What is it? Sit down now.
Bag of things are going there. Bag of things, brother.
Bad man.
Bag of story, bag of mix up, a bag of confusion are going where you not even know. And I'm gonna see from when in a G.
Brother.
Be a G, me a G, and be a G, me come to me in a father. Like a real life thing, you know, bro.
Bad man. What do you tell me say you want to do so and make you do so that and you come like you're still not happy? How about one?
But you not even know. You not even know what's going on.
Then that's why I want you tell me what go on, my friend. You can't tell me, you just come here so with your face look down certain way, bad man.
Yo,
Chat
you
to
know
me.
say, my mother give me one reason and tell me say, yo, the Rasta man there, when you do that see my father. My brother tell not even know, brother tell me guy what I run me and that.
So,
I don't even know what for doing, brother.
so one night time in a year, see your father they are foreign.
Brother, listen now, you see, one could mix up go on this brother way. Me don't know about because me daddy baby. So when me a grow up, come up with my mother, I tell me say, yo, this and that make 2 and that make 3.
So you are trying to tell me say your mother a whore.
Wait, your mother say boy, you know my mother?
Nobody.
Where my mother a whore?
I just say me as a
I'm doctor is boy.
I just say me as a you to go like you see you.
Where me a cut my mother? Boy, it's a doubt of my mother a whore. Me back to the your face, boy.
Calm down, you tell me say you. Calm down, man. Me just assess you are going.
Brother, me love my mother, you know.
Me know them way that me love my mother to that, but watch you know. But if a mother deal with you, so when me kiss her, what you want me say?
You could have said better than you have said that, brother.
Choose
Because you know my mother read 2 plant piece of line, brother. Yo, me love my mother, me love my pine on that.
Me know that, but watch you know. Your mother be active for you, dog.
My, come on for the story there,
Mother
brother.
be active.
Come on for the story there, brother. I like you talk to my mother, you know, my mother right in there, brother. Me hear me talk about your mother. But me say, me tell us if your mother a whore. But me just say my father read your mother already. But me tell you that, you don't have feel.
Then what me fi do about it? What me fi do about
Don't
it?
tell my mother then, brother.
Calm down, man. You go on like say you're too ignorant, youth.
Yeah,
Calm
me,
down,
brother,
man.
I'm half ignorant. These are this way, brother. Me take my father life, my youth. Tell me, mother. Tell me.
To subscribe is free. You subscribe yet?
Na 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 na. Yeah. You say you are the done cause you start pulling triggers, yeah. You say you are the one cause you start drive a beamer, yeah. You used to have a girl, now you have a gold digger. You say she are the one cause she make you come quicker, yeah. But watch out now, you're not take no chat from nobody till you're down on your knees and you're not no sorry. You say you're not beg no friend from nobody, yeah. Money and your gun. You're not take no chat from nobody till you're down on your knees and you're not no sorry. You say you're not beg no friend from nobody, yeah. Money and your gun. You call yourself a boss cause you start see the figures. But if the money never reach you will still be a beggar, yeah. You're rolling with gangster cause it make you feel bigger. But little did you know, gangster life come with pressure. Gangster life, it's not a pretty life. Cause when you pull it run out, can you survive with a knife? Gangster life, it's not a pretty life. Cause when you stand before the judge, you know your sentence can be life. You're not take no chat from nobody till you're down on your knees and you're not no sorry. You say you're not beg no friend from nobody, yeah. Your money and your gun. You're not take no chat from nobody till you're down on your knees and you're not no sorry. You say you're not beg no friend from nobody, yeah. Your money and your gun, yeah. Na 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 na. Yeah, yeah. Nah, nah. You not take no shot from nobody till you're down on your knees, then you're not no sorry. You say you're not beg no friend from nobody, yeah. Your money and your gun. You not take no shot from nobody till you're down on your knees, then you're not no sorry. You say you're not beg no friend from nobody, yeah. Your money and your gun. You're not, no, no, no,